Good evening, Kenya, and welcome to Josephat News Network, the home of breaking stories, serious faces, and absolutely unnecessary drama. I'm your anchor, and tonight the nation is full. Let's get into the news headlines. News report from Mombasa County. Our coverage now moves to Mombasa County, where residents were today observed gathered around a single table, reportedly engaging in what experts are calling extended festive eating activities. Witnesses says that the table contained an unusual concentration of pilau, roasted meat, rice, fruits, and assorted coastal delicacies, enough to feed an entire neighborhood. Residents, appearing calm but determined, showed no sign of slowing down, with some individual reportedly returning for third and fourth serving. Now to Kisumu County, where a developing situation is unfolding at a local dining table. At the center of the scene is one fried fish, described by the witness as large, golden, and under extreme pressure. Surrounding the table are several determined residents, all appearing to agree on one thing: this fish will not survive the meeting. Eyewitness reports intense discussion, strategic finger pointing, and silent calculation on who gets which parts. Sources confirms the fish has not moved, but tension around the table continues to rise. Experts says this is normal New Year occurrence in Kisumu, where fish is respected, admired, and then completely finished. Authorities have assured the public that sharing protocols are in place, through enforcement remains unclear. This situation is ongoing. We will bring you updates if the fish lasts that long. And now to a developing situation at Bomet town that unfolded shortly after midnight, where New Year celebration briefly transformed into what witnesses are calling it an unexpected fitness exercise. According to reports, fireworks were successfully launched into the sky, but unfortunately also launched panic into the crowd. Moments after the first loud blast, residents were observed running at speed, previously unseen outside athletic competition. Eyewitness confirms that people dropped food, sandals, and dignity, choosing survival over celebration. Some residents were heard shouting while others ran silently, clearly questioning their life choices. Experts says the fireworks were legal, festive, and harmless, but the sound alone was enough to activate the national spring response. Authorities have reassured the public that no injuries were reported except minor muscle pain in individuals who had not run since primary school. Calm has since returned to the area, though some residents are still checking the sky before resuming celebrations. This has been Josephat News Network, reminding citizens that fireworks are for enjoyment, not emergency evacuation trips.